Hello, my name is Maria, and I work at this restaurant. The restaurant is in the center of the city. So many different people come here during the day. I never know who will come. Usually, I meet someone new every time I come to work. But there is one person I always see every day. And his name is Matthew. He always comes here for lunch. And he always orders cake and coffee. I will probably see him today, and he will probably order the same thing. Look, I see him now. But first, I will give him some time to read the menu. Hello, Matthew. What will you have today? For today, I'll have chicken and soup. And for dessert, I'll have the cake with coffee. Good choice. I will be back in a few minutes. This is the best part of my day. I really enjoy my time with this man. He's friendly, funny, and very handsome. He always greets me with a nice smile, and he always notices when I change my hairstyle. I really want to show my interest in him. But what will I do? What will I say? When will I tell him? How will I tell him? I believe I will need some time to think about this. Tomorrow is my day off, and I won't work during the day. And I won't have anything to do at home. It'll be the perfect day to meet him. I definitely know he'll be here tomorrow, and I definitely know he'll want some cake. After work, I'll go to the supermarket. I'll buy the ingredients to make the perfect cake. Then I'll drive to the mall and I'll look for the perfect dress. He told me he likes the color red a lot. So I'll wear red lipstick and put on my best perfume. I hope he'll think I'm beautiful. I hope he'll like the cake I'll make for him. Whatever happens tomorrow, I'm confident it will be a great day. Time to get up. The restaurant will open soon, and I want to be ready when he comes. I'll put on my dress. I'll put on my makeup. I'll take the cake with me, and I'll meet him there. To be honest, I'm a little nervous. Will he like the cake? Will he have time to talk to me? Will he like me? He'll be here at any moment, but I'll be ready. Look, there he is now. Hey, Matthew. Good to see you. Hey, Maria. Will you work today? No, I am off today, but I want to give you this cake. I hope you'll enjoy it. Matthew's looking at the cake, but he isn't saying anything. He probably thinks I'm weird. This is so embarrassing. Wait, he's taking a fork from the table. Maria, I'll have this cake, but I'll only have it with you. Will you have some with me? Yes, Matthew, I will. What kind of stories do you want to hear? Comment below and tell us. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.